If you're a beginner when it comes to color grading, I don't want you to miss this because it's a very important concept. Here I have a short video pulled up in the color page with just a few shots, and they all look pretty good, but they also look really just kind of plain. Okay, so this shot, I mean, it looks like normal life. There's not really a lot of feeling or a lot of style or anything happening in here. It's kind of just normal. And when it comes to color grading, part of our job is to influence the viewer, to give them a certain feeling. And to do that, we need to give our footage a certain kind of flavor. And the word for that style that flavor that we put into our video is called the look. You could also call this a stylistic look, a color grading look. This mama is cooking with her cute baby, and we want this to feel cozier. Right now, it feels like it's realistic, which isn't bad if that's the feeling we're going for. But if we want to enhance the feeling, make it like real life plus more juice, then we got some work to do. The great news is that this isn't that difficult. We just have to be intentional. So first things first, we're going to make this easy for ourselves to put a flavor, a filter, a look on all of the footage at once. We're going to do that with a group. And to do that, I'm going to select this first clip and then shift select the last clip, right click anywhere, and go up to add into a new group. And you can name this group whatever you want. I'm going to call it the look, and hit OK. That's going to add these little chain links to all of my shots that are added to the group. The other thing that's going to happen is if I go up here to my nodes and look at this little word right here where it says clip, I can click on that and go down to this one, group post clip. And when I click on that, that's going to switch over to a node tree that's highlighted in yellow. This is the power. Any color that I do down here in the color tools is going to apply to this selected node right here, which lives in the group post clip, which gets applied to every single shot in the group. If you don't believe me, well, how about I take this offset and just push it super purple? That happens not only to this clip that I have selected, but also to all the other clips in the group. I can right click here in the empty space and say reset all grades and nodes. I can pick a shot that I really like. How about this baby shot? And now I'll make some color adjustments to put some certain feeling into the shot. I'll close the clips here so we have a little more room. I feel like this needs maybe just a little more contrast, so I'll take this contrast and just drag that to the right a little bit. Change the pivot around a little bit. Maybe take this tint away from green. Maybe take the temperature a little bit more warm. See what we're doing here? So here's before and here's after. Like it already looked good, but now it has a lot more intention, has a lot more flavor, right? Maybe I'll push up the color boost just a little bit, just to add a little saturation there. Yeah, and now I have this shot that feels a little bit more cozy. It feels warm. It feels like this nice sunny morning, where it's not like this didn't. It just kind of felt meh, where this feels like nice and punchy. It feels like, yeah, I could bake some bread. And so that's really the idea of the look, is we're putting flavor into our project, not just in one shot, but in all of the shots. We want them all to feel nice and cozy. And so if you've never made a look, you don't have to overcomplicate it. Just add all of your shots to a group, and in those group post clip nodes, try and push some feeling into that shot, and then kind of click around and make sure that that works and that feels how you want. And if you're brand new to color grading, I want you to come to my Simple Color Workflow Challenge. It's a 5-day live coaching experience with me. We get to spend the mornings together, and I'll show you how to color grade videos in a very simple, easy, stress-free way. This workflow that I want to show you has already helped thousands of people, and it can work for you too. So there's a link down in the description, and I'll put one right here. Also, open up a video in Resolve, add your shots to a group, rub a little flavor on it. It's like a good barbecue, all right? And then sign up for the color challenge. That's all we gotta do. Thanks for being here.